Today we're gonna talk about Amazon FBA. Um, Amazon FBA. The FBA stand for Fulfilled by Amazon. Fulfilled by Amazon. So, what is Amazon? Amazon is a marketplace where you can find basically everything, right? So on today's story, we're gonna talk about Amazon FBA, how you can start your own Amazon FBA, how you can make your own money using Amazon FBA, right? So basically, what is Amazon FBA is that you're gonna buy your, let's say, your shoes, your sneakers, whatever it is, your laptops, you name it, anything you want to sell on Amazon. So you're gonna buy it somewhere else and then you ship it. It can come from China, from France, from Canada, whatever you want to buy your stuff for. Okay. But on this video, I'm gonna advise you where most of the people usually go buy their stuff. They usually go to Ali Alibaba, Alibaba.com. So over here you find stuff cheaper, right? So let's say like let's go to home kitchen. And I don't know, what can we buy? What can we get from here? Kitchen dinner bar. Okay, so let's say that we wanna bathroom product. Okay, let's go to bathroom products, and we're gonna see the difference on prices, right? So over here, you can see all this stuff from $3 to $8 and over 50 pieces, right? And the same bathroom product, if you go to Amazon, you're gonna find the price higher than this one. Okay, so let's go back to Amazon. Let's use the same keyword over here. Bathroom products. Bathroom. Bathrooms. Products. So over Alibaba, we saw that it was from $3 to $8 and over 50 pieces. But if you come here to Amazon, you're gonna notice that the price change, right? So now you're gonna see 74, 26, 16, 33, 18, 19, 34, right? So the price basically changed. But over Alibaba, you can see that the price are just amazing. Okay, so basically what most of the people does is they come over here over Alibaba, they purchase the item and they ship it to the Amazon warehouse, because Amazon have a huge warehouse in most of the state, and they ship it over there. And after shipping to the Amazon warehouse, what they do is they put the listing on Amazon and they start selling, and they sell all over the world. So they can sell here in the United States, in Europe, in Africa, in Australia, and they make a lot of money out of this. So let's say if they can buy something will cost like $3 over Alibaba and sell it for $10 or $15 on Amazon, they make a lot of profit. Okay, so on this video, I'm basically inviting you to learn the same skills that those people have, right? The same skill that they have. I'm inviting you to learn that for free. So click on the button below. Click on the button below There's a button. Yes, there's a link. There's a link on the description. There's a link you're gonna see on the description where you can attend the free training that's gonna teach you step by step how you can do your own Amazon business, how you can create your own empire for Amazon FBA. Okay, it is free of charge. Go ahead and register to the training, and I will be happy to meet you in the inside. Thank you very much, and have a great day.